Hi, my name is Milan. Please hit the like and subscribe button to have more content come your way. Today will be a DIY project. It's either going to work or it's going to be a fail, but you have to look and see for yourself how it's going to turn out. I'm going to take some small piece of swirl next to a small path just to try it out first. I have this spade and a fork. I've got a mixing bucket tray, and I'm going to bring in some cement as well. Probably going to be a 20% cement, 80% swirl mix, and there's water in there already. But let's get started. So first you get the swirl out. So probably have to neaten up. I don't want to have too much dirt in there. So I'll just throw that into the garden. And then I'm going to dig up the area that I really need. Okay, there we go. That's already a good start. Okay, now I'm going to take the soil, throw it into my mixing tray, and just sort of measure it out. But being a soil cement mix, I'm not going to be too strict on it. And once the soil is out, I'll make an estimate of how much cement I'll need. Hopefully a nice quick project. Don't want to take too long. And I almost have enough soil already to start my mix. This is to stabilize things a little bit. There's a lot of moisture in this area. Yo, this is hard work. There's already a lot of water in the soil, so I definitely can use water with this mix. I'm quite happy with the preparation of that section. I'm going to go over to the mixing. I might use a rule of thumb, but yeah, it's time for cement. You can see it's a small bucket. I'll just evenly spread it out. And already I think we've got enough cement in there. This might even be a 50% mix. Okay. Rain coming down a little bit, so I want to hurry up a bit as well. It's quite rough. If you can see the high content of cement, so that's good. Okay, that portion done. Now I'm going to transfer it into my little path, hopefully nice and clean, and then stamp it in as well as much as possible. There's a slight downpour. I'm glad that it's going to rain a little bit. Then I'm going to save water on the curing process. Almost there. Now the question will be, will it work or fail? I'm not sure. What's the odds? Now to level it out. I can use the spade as well. And stamp it a little bit. I don't have a roller. I have gravity on my side, but I don't have a roller. Trying to step it out a bit. Unfortunately, it's a small area. This is my testing area to see if it's going to hold. Soil being free here. Cement will cost you some money, unfortunately. I hope you enjoyed this. Please vote if it's going to be a success or not. I don't think I made it worse. Hopefully I just made it better to stabilize the clay. Please hit like and subscribe buttons.